Okay, section 9.6, applications of the discriminant. What we're going to do is we're going to use the discriminant in order to find out how many real solutions there are for a quadratic equation. So in the quadratic formula, the b squared minus 4ac, that is the discriminant. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the a, b, and c into that and then evaluate it to see whether it's going to be a positive number. And if it is a positive number, then the equation will have two solutions. Whether it comes out as 0, then the equation will have one solution. That means the graph would touch the x-axis one time. Or if it's negative, that means there's no real solution. And again, we all know that you can't have a negative under the radical, and that's really what that is indicating here, is that if it's negative, we have a negative under the radical, and the graph doesn't touch the x-axis. Alright, so here we go. We have different problems to try, and the very first one here is x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So we're going to say b squared minus 4ac, and in this problem the b is negative 2, so we have negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. The 4 is the c, and so we're going to end up with a positive 4, because a negative number squared is going to be equal to a positive number, and then 4 times 4 is 16. 4 minus 16 is a negative number, and since we get a negative number, we know that the graph is not going to touch the x-axis, and there are no real solutions. So when we try b, again, we're going to do b squared minus 4ac, so we're going to have 5 squared minus 4 times a is negative 3 times c is negative 1, and so we get 25 minus, and that's going to be a negative times a negative is a positive, so it's going to be 25 minus 12. That's a positive number, and therefore there are going to be two real solutions to this one. And then when we try our last problem here, again, we're going to say b squared minus 4ac, so b is negative 10 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times negative 25, and negative 10 squared is 100, and 4 times negative 1 times negative 25 is 100. So we're going to get 100 minus 100, which is 0, and if it's 0, there's going to be one solution. That means the graph is going to come down and just touch the x-axis in one spot.